Hi friends, first of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, this video will be regarding the railway exam PDF, homework PDF, formula PDF, right? So many students who recently joined our WhatsApp channel, they can't able to find out the previous PDF file what we have uploaded. So and many students were keep on emailing us where is the PDF. So what we did is, as well as WhatsApp recently for the past 1 week, they have some restrictions has been added on the channel not to share any link or drive link on the WhatsApp channel. So what we did is, we are plan to post all the PDF file in the website directly so that you can easily figure out and you can find the PDF file, right? So in order to get that PDF file, I will tell you where the PDF file has been uploaded on my website. So first visit Google and then search feelfreetolearn.com. So here is our website, feelfreetolearn.com, right? So once you get into the website, so scroll down, right? So once you scroll down, you can able to see a column called Feel Free to Learn exam. So there you can able to see at the third railway exam, aptitude and reasoning. So click on it. So now you can able to see the videos, whatever videos that we posted on railway exam till date. So totally I've posted 7 videos, all the volume based videos, right? So first video, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth and seventh. So totally 7 videos we have posted, and under the each tab you can able to see at the corner, right, corner of the image, you can able to see PDF as well as test. So once you click on the PDF, yes, so here is the formula sheet PDF. Okay, so you can download the formula sheet PDF. So it will be easy for you, right, students, those who are learning. Similarly, if you want to write the test, so click on the second, you can under that a small image, you can able to see 2 images. One is for the PDF and second is for the test. So if you click on the test, it will be redirected to the test page, right? So similarly here for the second test, third test, fourth test, fifth test, so whatever the test that we have uploaded based upon the video what we posted, so once you click on the test, it will be redirected to the test page. And the PDF file we have not uploaded for 2, 3, 4, 5 lessons. So for that we have added 5 new tests into the test package, right? So once you visit our test series railway exam, so click on view. So there you can able to see, I will show that also. So quantitative aptitude railway exam. So click on it. So at the last you can able to see measurement complete practice. So click on it. You can able to see 5 practice set. So each practice set contain 20 question. So all the homework question what we have given on the PDF file on WhatsApp channel, so now we have given as a test. So write the test, right? So after 7th video, 8th video tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we will be posting on problems on ages. So after posting the video, I will upload the PDF file on the website directly, not on the WhatsApp channel, right? So and the test series was also easy to find. So this is the main reason, because many students were keep on asking us, so we can't able to share for every student individually. So that's the reason we added the PDF file directly into the website, as well as you can write the test series also here. So friends, understood? So thank you so much for watching this video, and sorry for this delay for the PDF upload on the site. So now it is easy to find out the PDF file as well as the test series. For the second, third, fourth, fifth, all the videos, all the PDF file that we have posted for this 5 videos, so we have uploaded as a test. So you can don't forget to write the test today. So friends, thank you so much for watching it. Bye.